Yo, kumusta po kayo mga karot? Welcome sa aking channel. Good evening, good morning, at have a nice days po sa lahat. At sa araw na ito ay ang ipakikita kong video ay tungkol sa ating doon. Shoutout po sa asawa ko kay Melgina Pasina ng Gabon, Calasiao, Pangasinan. Kumusta po tayo? At tara guys, ito ang aking video sa araw na ito.
Guys, this is the tools of we are using in Islam testing. You must take care of this cone. Always clean it before you start checking Islam test, and sure that your base must be on the level and the concrete is put on the wheelbarrow to make it sure that this concrete is no any use the proper tools, the cone and the spoon. Fill the concrete 3 times, not only 1 time. You see? So check the guy how he is doing for this Islam testing. Happy level year ko. 18.5.
You can take 2, 3, 4, 5 pictures from one time.
Okay. What I write?
Huh?
20?
Yes.
19. Alas 99.
4 picture one time. 3 picture. Understand?
Yeah, put one more. Okay. 50. Okay. The slope is from 17.5 to 21 centimeter. That is the required Islam to. So the result of this Islam is very good. It will come in 19 centimeter. And we have also a cylinder for concrete testing in laboratory that we are going to take in every 100 cubic. We will take 6 cylinder for laboratory testing.
Ganito ang profession yan.
So guys, this is our process for taking the Islam testing and cylinder, make a cylinder sample for our laboratory test, to take a laboratory test result. And guys, this is for today. Thank you for watching my video, and I hope you will take some idea in how to make sample and Islam testing. Thank you guys, and hello.